Hello everyone. After we explain the objective of the cost center and also the chart of account, now we will talk about how to book expenses uh, that belong our work. So basically that the steps that we have to take is as follow. We have to go to the accounting and then go to journal entry, click on add journal entry. This will appear for us. Okay, if we want to change the date, we could change the date. Let's assume that the date today. So the account here, usually it will be the debit. If we want to book the expense, then expense will be a debit, like a salary. Okay, salary and wages. Let's assume it's 1000. Add row, and then the credit account, which will be cash if we pay cash. If we pay by card, then it will be card. If we pay by bank, it will be bank account. So let's assume that we pay cash. So this is the first step. Then we have to go to salary and wages and click on edit. On the edit, we have here accounting dimension. Here we have to to choose the cost center. Let's say this is a salaries for, as an example, labor camp. Then we have to choose a labor camp. And if it is like the expense related to the main, which is an admin team, which is like the overhead, then we have to choose here the main expenses. If it is connected, which is a direct expense for one of the cost center that we have, then we have to choose the cost center. After that, we will go for the reference number. Let's say 1345. Date, let's say it's today. And then user mark like paying salaries for May. Okay, and then click save and then submit. Click yes. Okay, in this way we could go and print the entry and have it with the supporting document, and add it to our documentation if we want to print it. Let's assume now, and the journal entry will appear here. Let's assume now we are paying a maintenance. So again, as I say, maintenance, we don't have maintenance, so this is the maintenance 2000. And then let's say this maintenance is not paid, expenses incurred but it's not paid, so we have to choose accounts payable, which is payable. So we have to choose creditor, creditor. Okay, supplier, here we have to choose the supplier, which is like by name. So I have to create a new supplier, which is 123 as an example. Supplier group, if it is local, then save. Okay, and again we have to do the same thing. Go to the expense. Let's say the maintenance that we did for labor camp, we have to reference number Same thing, like put 223, date today, remark paying maintenance, whatever the remark that you want to add. Save and then submit. Yes, and same thing, then we have to do like we could print the entries that we have. This is how we book the all the expenses that we have.